front of me is HUAWEI Mate Xs and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off location. You need to start by going into Devices Settings and scrolling to click on Location section. Now use this switcher next to Access My Location to turn it on or off. But if you want to do it much faster on daily basis, you can do what I do, which is going into Tab menu and looking for Location shortcut. When you find it, click on it to turn it on or off. Little advice, if you want to access it faster, you can also put the shortcut in a different place. To do that, click on this icon at the top right corner. Select Edit Switches in the pop-up. Hold Location and drag it on a first place in a second row. Then choose Done and wait. So now every time I will have to access my location, I can go into Tab menu and click on it here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!